Kihe jong katanat Election Commission of India kata ke ECI kila Wanpoi ke jylla ha ke si pelai jo tayo bat kila pynlong ru ya ki jingyelang bat ya kendu ya ki sengsan perthai bat ki he sarkar kumsi benta ban pej perman ya ke jingpynkhreh ban pynlong ya ke election MLA 8,000 arpulai ha ki nri photli ki constituency jong ke jylla Meghalaya. Yakni ke kenhun jong ke Election Commission of India lawan ban lam khmat da Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar rengkat bagi Election Commissioner ki bakenthop ya u Anup Chandra Pandey badu Arun Goel bat kiwe ban khmih bnia ke jinglong jingman jong ke jylla bat kham tam ban pej ke jingpynkhreh ban pynlong ya ke election MLA 8,000 arpulai. Hak ni ke jingwan ke ba arsngi jong ki he ke ECI kilai kendo ikinong elam jong ki sengsan perthai ban shimi ki jing ajing mut ki jong ki bat kilai kendo ru ya ki bor Penia district ki he sarkar jong ke jylla ki bakenthop chief secretary bat ya u director general of police bat kiwe katkum ke electoral roll kabala penmi ka santre uklalang kot 8,000 arpulai kidan baro arpaway point we lakmot kinong thap vote ha ke jylla bat kinong thap vote kan thai ki khambun bani senrang bat nakabenta kan election MLA kindan lai hazar saus pa prapo artli ki jaka thap vote ha ki hinri photli ki assembly constituency. Habai keren bekilat patai kubor Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar ulong ba ka commission kan penti kena ba ka jingpenia ya ka election ha Meghalaya kan long ka bayat sok ka ba khut bat ka balat na kinu jingpen ngop nalor kan ni uli thuru ba ka ECI kala song jingyalang bat ki he jong ka tanat excise GST revenue intelligence income tax enforcement directorate airport authority Reserve Bank of India narcotics, railways, bat kiwe ban penti kena bak election kan lat na kinu ki jingpen ngop ikinong thap vote. Ukli jong ka ECI uloong ba ka jingyatai kala yat menta hapo kari halor ka jingkular jong sengsan perthai henrei ka ECI kamla ban sukhang yakini ki jingkular ki jong ki ka ki jule baro iskata khamtam haba ka model code of conduct lani ka MCC kampat rekam. Kani ke jingkren jong CEC ke de halor ke jingkeli ya ke jingsam scheme jong ke NPP lengba ka fokus bat ka wicard bat MYE scheme jong ka AITC. Ukumar ulong bakini ki jingkular kimdei satya ki jingpynkhreh ki an namar ka de kurkom ha ke election ban ai ki jingkular ki nong thap vote bat ka de ru ka hok jong ki nong thap vote ban tip ki jingkular. Hakabai day bat ki jingkeno bak NPP kam simlala ban ai ki jingkhen jingdia ye ki jingpenlut ha election baladem ukhli ke ECI ulong bak NPP kala dep ban ai jingkhen bat ula kubur pan bakala dan ke jingpen slam jong ki babun ki sengsan perthai hakari ban ai ki jingkhen ye ki jingpenlut ha por election. Hakabai day bak jingsha ujor menteri ke sarkar jylla uba da sakyat lamari ba ula sampisai ki patba hanong krem nakaliang ukumar ulong ba dan jingtip AA halor kani bat unsapani ke juba na Chief Electoral Officer jong ke jylla.
Law and order front, we met all the political parties. We also took feedback from the state groups, from the chief secretary, from the DGs, from the DCs, from the SPs. We have asked them to be very vigilant, but general law and order is all under control and peaceful. And this is what they expect, and they will ensure that it remains so during the elections as well. As regards everybody to vote from home, that's a technological era. When will it happen? How will it happen? I cannot astrologically tell you, but that's a thing we should, as and when it develops in the world, that would happen on its own pace. Technology will take its own course. Common points which the political parties asked us. Most of them reiterated they have been having regular meetings with the chief electoral officers of the Meghalaya. All of them mentioned that about the SSR, about the preparation and other things, they have been raising their issues before the CEO and they are getting resolved. Further, they also emphasized about the peaceful elections and also about the inducement-free elections. Some of them mentioned about this also. So I have already explained you the regions which we have done. Further, new 2-3 things will also be done during this election. All the paramilitary forces there would be 3 kinds of randomizations which would happen. One, so that there is no doubt about the impartiality. All the paramilitary forces would get randomized where would they go, along with the central observer. So central observer, CO, and the state nodal police officer. It's not so that when we send them, they are also properly and effectively utilized in an impartial manner and go to the areas where they are required more. Those areas being the border areas, those being the international borders and the roads and the paramilitary and the booths. There would be paramilitary force by and large on all the booths, so that its neutral force would all be available in almost all the booths. The specific complaint you mentioned was raised. By that time, the party had not filed. There are provisions that after every election, you have to file it within a prescribed time. And the party as such accounts have to file annually. So there were varying level of delays by various parties in various elections. They have now filed it. So that and we have made the filing process, we are making it far more robust, so that all over the country, it's not only this, there were many who have not done it. So you must have read it also that against the registered parties, there are compliance discipline is being made far more stricter. There are also, we are making it online, that's in the work in progress. So these kind of things will not happen, but they have now filed it. We would like to communicate through you to the voters of Meghalaya that they come in large numbers, vote, youth, young, male, female, PWDs, old alike, and also use our applications to tell us vigilantly if there is anything which is happening against the instructions or against the law.